At Tokyo's iconic Ginza district, Columbia's flagship store unveils a new visual experience. Powered by invisible technology, MUXWAVE has created an 80 square meter holographic transparent display wall, redefining outdoor retail with seamless clarity. This giant glass screen preserves the building's original design, blocks no natural light, and keeps the view completely clear, while turning the entire surface into a vivid digital canvas. When turned off, it stays fully hidden. Installation is simple, with no complex structural work required. IT offers high brightness against outdoor glare, rich color, and stunning image quality. Once activated, mountain and forest scenes appear to float on the glass in Ultra HD, blending reality with digital imagination. This is more than a screen, it's a powerful offline engagement engine, a reimagined storefront that draws continuous attention, turning Columbia into a must-see destination and a true brand attraction.